Children, we finished non-profit organization final account from this video. It is my humble request to all the students, please understand very thoroughly. See the description box, we have the mail ID also. If you have any doubt, you ask me through mail. I can clearly make you to understand the sums. It is very easy. Only basic informations are given. Please do read. Some sum is given are done in the classrooms, online classes, but the same way you would do or have practice on yourself in the home. Then you can understand very easily. Okay? Those are not so far, subscribe. Please subscribe the channel and please touch the bell icon. You can get the notifications. Please share it to everyone. Then only it is highly useful to many students. They get more benefited. These basic information are highly useful for every student, not only for plus 2 students. Even the student going studying for BCom or MCom or CA, the basic is very very important. So it is my humble request, the children, please share it to your friends. Please like it and subscribe it. Mainly share it to many students. Ask the students to go through it. Thank you, children. Bye bye. Say. All of you listen. The sum is very, very important. The following is a summary of cash transactions of Delhi Literary Club for the year ending 31st March 2019. The accounting year is 31st March 2019. The accounting year 31st March 2019. The name of the club is Delhi Literary Club. The Delhi Literary Club's receipts and payments account for the year ending 31st March 2019 is given. See, the first item is true balance not down, cash in hand. It is a opening cash in hand. I make you to keep remember again. They used to give receipts and payments account of a club or any non-trading organization. They will give some additional information with the help of the given receipts and payments account and additional information. You have to prepare final account for Delhi Literary Club. That means income and expenditure account and balance sheet. If the capital fund is given, need not necessary to opening balance sheet. Otherwise, you have to prepare opening balance sheet, income and expenditure account, and closing balance sheet or balance sheet for at the end of the accounting year date. These things we prepared. First, we read the questions, then understand what are the statements we are supposed to prepare. Okay. Two balance brought down, cash in hand is given. This is opening cash in hand. It will come in the opening balance sheet of Delhi Literary Club. No page is come than that one. Entrance fee. Entrance fee 2,300. Subscription 46,000. Life membership fee 2,500. Interest received on fixed deposit 500. Sale of furniture on 1/4/2018. Book value 25,000. The value of furniture sold is book value 25,000. Sold it for 22,500. The value of furniture is as of 1/4/2018 is 25,000, but they sold it for less than the book value 22,500. 22,500 is loss. Okay, so 31/3/2018 they have furniture value 22,500. Don't forget it. It might be written in the opening balance sheet. Okay. Buy rent and rates 21,000. Buy lecture fees 4,500. Sundry expenses 7,200. Fixed deposits 40,000. Closing cash in hand. Closing cash in hand is given 4,000. 300. Just read by yourself what are things they are given. It is shown in the screen. Please go through it. So what are the additional information is given? At the beginning of the year, club possesses books worth rupees 20,000 and furniture worth rupees 40,000. The furniture value is given, so no problem. No problem. Out of 40,000 worth of furniture, worth a part of furniture value 25,000, sold for 22,500, so no problem. Subscription received in advance during the current year amounted to rupees 1,000. பாருங்க, this year subscription received in advance for the forthcoming year. For the coming year. So what income is received in advance, it is a liability. Don't forget, current year liability. Prepare income and expenditure account of the club for the year ending 31st March 2019 and the balance sheet as on the date. So capital fund is not given. So we have to prepare opening balance sheet with available liability assets information. Okay. What are information available for the last year? For the last year is concerned, the furniture value is given 40,000, books worth rupees 20,000 and cash in hand 3,200. Okay. See, in the receipts and payments account, they given what is it? Cash in hand they given. The receipts and payments account, cash in hand is given. What is this? What is this? This is nothing but what? Opening cash in hand, last year closing cash in hand. So that is also given. We can take into account. See, we can open. To find the opening capital fund, opening balance sheet should be prepared. So in the books of Delhi Literary Club, they given asset furniture worth rupees 40,000. Okay, books worth rupees 20,000 given. Cash in hand, see they are given here. So that what is also given. Anybody have any doubt? Why furniture value 40,000 is taken? What about the book value 25,000? No doubt. So last year the furniture value is 40,000. Out of that very 40,000 worth of furniture, a part of furniture worth rupees 25,000. Take it out from that, they sold for 22,500. Don't misunderstand that 40,000 plus 25,000 be added. No, this is wrong. So actual value of furniture last year, they given very clearly. At the beginning of the year, club possesses worth rupees 20,000 books and furniture 40,000. The value of books given, the value of furniture is also given. Books worth rupees 20,000, furniture worth rupees 40,000 is available. They are given very clearly. Okay, the receivable payments on two sale of furniture, that a part and parcel of 40,000 worth of furnitures. Okay, so don't confuse it. So furniture worth rupees 40,000 they are given. So furniture value asset side 40,000 is given. Books 20,000 is given. So this year opening cash in hand might be the last year closing cash in hand. So last year balance sheet asset side cash in hand 3,000 is given. So total value of asset is 63,200. So balance sheet figure 63,200. It is to be treated as capital fund. Okay. So in this way we will prepare the capital fund. If the capital fund is given in the book itself, no need to prepare the opening balance sheet. Since it is not given, with the available information related to last year, we prepare balance sheet. The balance figure was the capital fund. Okay. Any doubt? Okay, we can see the last one. We can see one by one the receipt. That opening cash is okay, is over. Not only is entrance fee, even at the time of tutorial is given, entrance fee is taken as revenue receipt. So entrance fee here given in the income side, entrance fee 2,300. The next item is subscription 46,000. So this year we received 46,000, the head of subscription. Okay. Any adjustment regarding subscription? Yes, given. Subscription received in advance During the current year amount of rupees 1000. பாருங்க 46,000 we received. Out of 46,000, 1,000 is meant for coming year, received in advance. I told you many times, any items comes in adjustment, it is be taken into both the sides. Just please hold a minute, please. See, the subscription 46,000, the advance received in advance subscription 1,000 rupees, that is be subtracted, then it comes in the liability side of the current year balance sheet. Subscription received in advance 1,000 rupees. Okay, so this item subscription is over. Life membership fee, life membership fee, life membership fee, even the tutorial in the book itself they are given, it is treated as a capital item. So capital income, just please note down, life membership is a capital income. It is to be recorded in the liability side of the balance sheet. So life membership fee is given. Okay, the liability side of the balance sheet, it is also written. So what is the next item? Interest received on fixed deposits. Interest received on fixed deposit. What we have to do? Interest received on fixed deposit. It is a revenue income. Revenue income. So income side will be written. Okay. What is another item? Another one is sale of furniture. As on 1/4/2018, worth rupees 25,000, sold for 22,500. So loss is 2,500. So loss is given 2,500. Loss on sale of furniture 2,500. See, the sum is given. The following is a receipt and payments account of Madurai City Club for the year ending 31st March 2018. Madurai City Club receipts and payments account is given. Receipt side, cash in the opening cash balance, opening bank balance also given. Subscription 30,000 is given. That is including rupees 4,000 for 2016 and 17. But dividing the sums for 17 and 18. So last year money received this year. Last year money received this year. 4,000 is also included. Legacies, you know very well. I told you many times about legacies. Hall rent, receipts for match fund. Match fund income. Okay. Upkeep of ground, match expenses given. Sundry expenses is given. Furniture, we bought furniture, capital expenditure is given. Closing cash in hand, closing cash at bank is given. Additional information on 1st April 2017. So this year beginning, the club had investment 40,000. Club also had credit balance of rupees 30,000 in match fund account. Match fund, already they had match fund account. It is a capital income of last year. Okay, 30,000 they have. Then subscription arrear were rupees 40,000. Subscription arrear 40,000 and subscription arrear 31st March 2000. Last year 4,000 arrears. Last year 4,000 arrear. This year 4,500 is arrear. Prepare the final accounts. Okay. But here capital fund is not given. I told you many times, the capital fund is not given. We have to prepare last year balance sheet with available last year assets value and liabilities value. Regarding last year assets and liability value, just I am telling that on 1st April 2017, the club had investment 40,000 is asset. So it is be recorded in the asset side. And the club had credit balance of match fund. Last year they had one match fund, specific fund. It's be liability side. So match fund is 30,000 is given. Last year matching fund. It is also comes this year also. Okay. On 31st March 2017, subscription arrears. So last year one income receivable. Last year asset. Okay. So subscription outstanding 4,000. Last year income receivable. So last year balance sheet asset. This year income receivable. This year balance sheet asset. So So last year balance sheet, that 4,000 subscription outstanding is given. Any other information regarding last year? Yes. Last year opening cash in hand, opening cash at bank is given. See, last year opening cash in hand, opening cash at bank is also given. Okay, match fund is given. So capital fund is 21,500. That is transferred to this current year balance sheet. So see, the current year balance sheet 21,500 is given. Okay, now we can pass on to prepare income and expenditure account. One by one we can see that. Receipt side compare with income side, payment side compare with expenditure side. Thus we can see the receipt side. Receipt side balance broader opening cash and opening cash bank we excluded. Subscription received they given 30,000 rupees. See, out of 30,000, 4,000 for last year. So last year money must be subtracted. Current year outside must be added. Okay. So last year 4,000 subtracted, current year 4,500 adjustment is given, 4,500 current year outstanding. See, subscription in arrear on 31st March 2018 where 4,500 it is given, that is to be added. So last year outstanding excluded, current year outstanding added. So comes to 30,500. Okay. Legacy is a capital income. See, current year balance sheet. See, the legacy is given. Hall rent, revenue receipt 10,000. Then receipt for match fund. Receipt for match fund. Already the last year match fund irukkirathu. So we have the last year match fund. What is the match fund last year? See, 30,000 is here. So current year receipt is 22,500. So any expenses it is be subtracted. Match fund is any income received on match fund it is to be added. Any expenditure on match fund must be subtracted. How we are adding the match fund income with match fund, the same way any expenses come, that is subtracted from the respective match fund. This is important. See the balance sheet. See match fund 30,000. So receipt for the match fund 2,500. Current year match fund expenses. The expenditure side is given. So that is to be subtracted. Okay, that is to be subtracted to be okay. Match fund expenditure. See, match expenses given 19,000. Let us be subtracted. Then upkeep of ground is revenue expenditure. No problems. Sundry expenses, revenue expenditure. No problems. Furniture, capital expenditure must come to the balance sheet. See, furniture. Okay. Then closing cash in hand, closing cash in bank. It is given. Closing cash in hand, closing cash in bank is also given. Okay. Right? Right. Must do carefully, do the sum one by one, and you all must to practice by yourself. Then only you can understand very easily. Okay. Those are forget to subscribe it, and put on the liking buttons.